This is an extract from our AHK Hero Club. We have calls 3 times a week. Please like the video if you learned something. Anyway, all right. So you're just trying to use Codex. And for Codex, are you just trying to have it as a competitor to Claude Code so you can
Yeah,
build programs
exactly.
too?
What I'm finding is that by using Codex, Cowork, VS Code, and anti-gravity, I'm understanding each one of them better by the compare and contrast
Sure.
of working in
Yeah.
in all of them.
Yeah. When I went to grad school, while all my other colleagues in class were learning regression or ANOVA or ARIMA models, um, I already knew them. So I was doing those in SPSS, Systat, and SAS. And I learned, to your point, I learned them much deeper because I was comparing and contrasting what you could
Yeah.
do in each one, right? And what they gave you back and how they worked. I totally get what you're saying.
Although it raises my sense of being bewildered, I think bedazzled. That's what it feels like. Just I was walking down the street and I had this feeling like we're in the Jetsons. You know, you
Yeah.
see people, three people there walking along, talking on their phone like nothing. This is life now. Huh.
Yeah. I was pleasantly surprised. I went to a Chamber of Commerce meeting, yeah, whatever day, Thursday. And it was a lunch and learn. And what was interesting to me, what made me laugh, was the lunch and learn, you brought your own lunch, which was different than what I was used to. But anyway, there was roughly 50-ish people there and one guy presenting. And I'd say it was like a 9 to 10 ratio of females to males. Not that I care, but it was funny. But I was pleasantly surprised. The presenter, oh, sorry, I should have told you the topic because I had no interest in the topic really. It was how to use TikTok in your business. But I still thought, okay, I don't know TikTok, so and I can network and stuff. And but the presenter, he did a decent job. And then the quality of the questions by the people there were they clearly, a lot of them, I'd say at least half, were not just flat out noobs trying to do stuff. They were, experienced and stuff. It was a good meeting. And a lot of them were mentioning AI tools that they're using. They're not building stuff like we are, right? But they're still using AI. I was very impressed.
What age group were they?
It ranged a lot. There were quite a few people older than me and a handful 20 years younger than me, but it was all over. But let me remind you guys, I live out in the country, right? So that was the thing, was the town I went to, it's a small 30,000 people, an hour away from Dallas. So it's pretty far out in the country. And I was just really surprised that many people were knowledgeable as they were on technology. Because out here, like, and it did come up during the meetings, most businesses often don't, well, I shouldn't say most, a ton of them don't even have a website. They just use like a Facebook page, right? They're small businesses. And so that's what surprised me, was that there was a lot of people that were, doing their thing, doing pretty good, which was great. Explore our huge library of 466 plus hours of recorded AHK tutorials. Watch, rewind, and master tricks at your own pace. Members enjoy a sweet 25% discount on everything we offer, from in-depth courses to ready-made scripts and pro services.